The problem of evil actually proves that a benevolent deity exists.
I don't know what's the problem of evil. It says, how can sin, aka moral evil, and suffering, aka natural evil, coexist with a benevolent deity? In other words, how can there be both a good God and evil? And it's used to try to say that because evil exists, then God can exist, or he at least can't be benevolent or not, or good. This, however, proves a deity exists because for evil to exist objectively in reality, there must be a transcendent or outside the universe standard of morality that can define, perceive, and distinguish it, which implies self-awareness and decisiveness or decision-making. And to be transcendent in the standard for an abstract aspect of reality, and therefore the very essence of it, are qualities unique to divinity, and only beings have self-awareness and decision-making.
Therefore, a divine being, i.e., a deity, must exist. So, in short, evil exists, so a standard for it outside reality with self awareness and decisiveness must exist too. And only a deity has all those qualities, so a deity exists.
Which means that deity must be benevolent because since evil is defined as goodness's opposite or absence, the standard and very essence of goodness are intrinsic within the standard and very essence of morality, so the two must be the same thing. Therefore, because the deity is the standard and essence of morality, he is also that for goodness as well. So since he's the essence of goodness, he must be benevolent.
In short, what the standard and very essence of morality is must also be the same for goodness. So the deity is that of both. And since the deity is the very essence of goodness, he must be benevolent.
Benevolent deity must be God described in the Bible because he has consistent morality, because the Lord does not change, Malachi 3:6. He upholds his morality by perfectly extending mercy and justice in perfect balance, Exodus 34:6, Isaiah 13:11. He has perfect morality by being sinless, 1 Peter 2:22, always judging rightly, Romans 2:6, and only giving the most appropriate punishments, Exodus 21:23-25. Also, he gave the greatest display of goodness through his death and resurrection, paying our sin debt in full, taking our deserved punishment on our behalf, so that we may be eternally saved and transformed by him through active faith in what he did. 1 Peter 3:18.